Thematic relations express the role that is assigned to the arguments of a verb in a sentence. Here are 3 sentences. For example, run, as in the boys run, has 1 argument, the boys, which functions as the subject. See has 2 arguments, a subject and an object, and give has 3, a subject, an indirect, and a direct object. Each verb determines its thematic relations. For example, in all 3 verbs, the subject, which is normally a noun phrase, must be an agent, that is, someone who deliberately performs the action. In see, we additionally have a theme, an element that undergoes the action but does not change its state, and in give we also have a goal to which the action is directed. Linguists define up to 15 thematic relations. These are language independent, but admittedly often the boundaries are not clear. For example, in the hammer broke the window, some linguists treat hammer as an agent, some others as an instrument, and again some others as a role different from these. In many synthetic languages, thematic relations may be reflected in case marking. For instance, Hungarian has an instrumental case ending.
László üti Esztert az esernyővel.
And this case ending explicitly marks the instrument of a sentence. More analytic languages, like English by contrast, often mark such thematic relations with prepositions.